Hello and welcome back to the real-time forex trader. Markets bottomed in euro dollar around here around the 63s. It's pulled back. We've got another short on. Looking at these downtrends, I'd like to see it break through this level and go lower. We've only got one small short on in case this is where it bottoms out for a while. It's 9:39. We've got a little bit of time left yet before everybody goes quiet for the end of the morning. Let's see what happens next. So on the charts we have tick chart, 1 second, 10 second and 1 minute, all in euro dollar. You can see from this chart it's quite possible it can pull back into the 70s. This is what it's doing now. It's having a bit of a pullback. So we're on at 65. We'll get another short on there at 68. These are all the open positions. And this is pound dollar, which by and large moves in unison with the euro dollar. So sometimes we see things happening here first, but let's see what happens. Just beginning to look on the 1 second chart, then it might have come through the trend. No. Just a question now of waiting for this market momentum from the downtrend, excuse me, to carry us a little lower. 70 up here would have been a good short. Missed that. Just a question of patience now. Beginning to come back on side. The question is it going to break below this level here at 63s? Because if it can drop decisively below that, these two will be nicely in profit. But just waiting for sellers to come back in the market. And this is how you scalp. You see, there are a few sellers, they're just not quite enough. This is beginning to grind off the bottom now. But is this a formation like that? Who knows? Right, where are we going with this? Where are the sellers when we want them? you around. Yeah, this is looking a little more likely. It is marginally in profit, coming up to the second trade, coming on side, getting ready to close. Is this where we get a few more sellers coming in? We just need a few more sellers to carry it lower, and then we'll be out. Marginal profit at the moment, which is lost. You see, should I have taken that there? A couple of pips profit, and then waited for the next pullback to sell into, which would have been there. 2 pips in it, might have just managed to close out and get our sales, our shorts on again, 1 pip higher. Remember, these prices on the chart are mid prices. Grinding along. Just need the sellers to return. Small uptrend forming there. Just need it to grind lower now. Beginning to look a little bit sideways, and sideways markets, to be honest, is just no good for my style of trading. And this looking like it's just grinding up to 70. Slow old morning. Now, we've missed most of the good trades. That would have been a good trade. 83 down to 60, 20 pips. That's a nice trade. Sellers coming back in at 70. And the buyers lifting it higher. This is where we should have taken the £1.20 profit there, a couple of pips, 2.5. Waited for this pullback, and now we can sell into it at 70. No, it's coming up off that floor. Somebody's been tempted back in. Seller quite happy to take 72. Just a question now of waiting to see if we can get some more sellers back in the market. One trade now back on the side. Right, where's this going? Is it going to grind lower all the way back down to 63s again? This is where it roughly turned last time. Yeah, going down a little below it. Right, we'll take that, profit in the bank, and we'll look for the next pullback. Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed it, please like and please subscribe. This is real scalping in the market live.